Understanding Storm Blows Up, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of English idioms, particularly the phrase, storm blows up. Idioms are a key part of mastering English, and they can be quite intriguing. So, let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Storm blows up is an idiomatic expression that refers to a sudden and often unexpected escalation or worsening of a situation. Think of how a storm can suddenly form and intensify in the natural world. Similarly, in conversation, this phrase is used to describe a situation that quickly becomes more intense, complicated, or problematic. To better understand how to use storm blows up, let's look at some examples. 1. In a personal disagreement, everything was fine until a storm blew up over their differing opinions. 2. In a professional setting, the project was on track until a storm blew up due to unforeseen technical issues. 3. In global events, the political scene was calm until a storm blew up following the controversial decision. While storm blows up is the most common form, there are variations. You might hear, a storm brews indicates something is starting to form, not yet intense. A storm erupts implies a more sudden and intense escalation. Incorporating idioms like storm blows up into your language practice helps you sound more fluent and natural. Try using it in different contexts, such as writing exercises or conversation practice. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is usage and exposure. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of storm blows up. Idioms like this add color and depth to your English conversations, so don't be afraid to use them. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.